The formation of the Grignard was done by Victor Grignard, but actually the mechanism was suggested by Gomberg and Beckman. The mechanism is not sure with certainty, but it is said that the first step, there are actually four steps involved. What the single step which I wrote is actually not one step reaction, but involves four steps. The first step is that the alkyl halide or the aryl halide reacts with magnesium to form the RR bond along with magnesium halide. This magnesium halide in step number 2 reacts with magnesium turnings to form the magnesium halide as a radical. This magnesium halide reacts with the alkyl halide in step number 3 to form the radical, the R radical, along with magnesium halide being separated out as a product. And this radical R along with magnesium halide radical reacts together to form the Grignard reagent in step number 4, which is the final step of the reaction. Now, as the mechanism involves four steps and we're not sure with certainty, but yes, this is for sure that this reaction is not a single step reaction. This reaction is not that the single step, because there are many precautions that you need to take. There are many things which you have to be very careful while preparing the Grignard reagent, because actually they're highly reactive or unstable species that are formed during the course of the reaction. And if they are not formed well, or if the reaction does not happen, so then the Grignard reagent is not going to be prepared well. The Grignard reagent mechanism is not known with certainty, but what is known with certainty is the structure of the Grignard reagent. As I've written only RMGX, is actually not the exact structure of Grignard reagent, but you would find that when I'm going to discuss the structure of Grignard reagent, there is actually the role of the solvent. The role of the solvent. What we have studied till now, that the solvent just acts as a medium, that it just acts as a medium and to participate where the solute gets dissolved. And the solvent helps in the dissolution of the solute, and it plays an important role that the solvent acts as a medium so that the reaction can happen well. But in this kind of a reaction, or in this type of a reagent like the Grignard reagent, solvent has a very important role to play. Solvent not only acts as a medium but also participates in the reaction. So in my next lecture, I'll be talking about the structure of the Grignard and how the solvent plays an important role, that it not only acts as a medium, but also helps in or actually stabilizes the structure and actually participates in the reaction and makes the Grignard reagent. So we'll be discussing it in my next class, the structure of the Grignard reagent.